Would you like to enhance the security of your Bybit account? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to easily increase your security level. First, open the Bybit app on your device. After logging in, go to your profile in the top corner. Then click on Settings. Look for the Security option and click on it. You will notice a notification if your security level is low. To increase the security level, you can enable two-factor authentication using the Google Authenticator app. Click on the Activation option, and you will receive a confirmation code via email. Enter the code and click Confirm. Then you will be directed to another option. Click Continue. Copy the key code that appears, then open the Google Authenticator app. At the bottom of the app, you will find an option to add a new account. Instead of scanning the QR code, choose Enter Key manually, then paste the key you copied from the Bybit app here. Give the account a name and click Add. Return to the Bybit app and click Next, then enter the code that appears in the Google Authenticator app. Once you enable these options, your security level will significantly increase. By following these steps, you will be able to secure your account and protect it from any threats. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more technical tutorials.